how the new interface the new interface will work for creating our autoresponders. So just first of all look at the things. What are the kind of autoresponders we are going to create? We will be creating two types of autoresponder, that is pre-sales for external, that is for customers, and again falling under this category pre-sales. The other one will be internal, that is for administrative purposes. So for external, and that is for the customers, we will be creating autoresponders on for two events. First event will be when a new form gets submitted. Now the form can be anything like price quote request form, or a test drive booking request form, or a more info on this car request form. And the other event can be on lead status getting changed to contacted. So whenever any kind of form gets submitted, we will consider that as a new lead, and the moment the form gets submitted, we will be sending the lead a thank you email, that is saying that thank you for your email or something like that. So first of all, let us try to create this one, that is a thank you email whenever a new form gets submitted. So we will come to this page and we will say I want to create an autoresponder which is of external, that is for customer, and it is falling under this correspondence type, that is pre-sales. And I'll name my autoresponder something like thank you for contacting us. And this will be fired when a new form gets submitted. The form can be a test drive booking form, or any kind of price quotation request, or more info on this car. So I'll say proceed to next step. And now here you can see thank you for contacting us. This is the name of the autoresponder I gave in my previous step. And then it is asking me how long after they submit the request form should this email be sent. I will say immediately after they submit the form, or I can specify a time, that is 5 minutes after they submit the form, or hours or days. Or so I will say immediately after they submit the form, and then I'll give my email a name. This name will help me in identifying those um, activities, email activities on this lead, on this autoresponder. So I'll give the same name which I have given for my autoresponder, that is thank you for contacting us. This will be the name of the email, and the subject line can be something which will be visible by the recipients who will be receiving your email. They will see the subject line. So let it be same as the autoresponder name, and then I am going to select my email template. So here I have made a categorization that emails will be stored in various folders like pre-sales, post-sales, and promotionals. So I'll select an email from this pre-sales folder, and there I can see there are several kinds of emails are there. So I'll select a template that is thanks for contacting. It is pre-built, and if I click on manage templates, I can go there and see what is the kind of email template I have there. So that's it. So I'll say I'm done now. So you can see this is just a two-step process. The thing is getting created, the autoresponder is getting created in just 2 steps. Now here, when I create this autoresponder, I am on this page and it's showing me, that is I have just created an external kind of autoresponder, that is thanks for contacting. And I can just edit this autoresponder, or I can launch this. And similarly, I can also create lot many more internal kind of autoresponder or external kind of autoresponder. So again, let's go to the create autoresponder page, and here again I'm going to create another kind of autoresponder, that is on lead status change to contacted, which will get fired on this event, that is on lead status change to get contacted. So I'll be sending first reminder, and this should happen on lead status gets changed to contacted. So I'll click on next step. This is the first reminder. Name of the autoresponder is first reminder. and select the email template, that is whatever was sent earlier. So upon receiving price quote request 1, if the customer does not respond within 24 hours, then we will send them an email. Name of the email can be anything. First reminder. Subject line can be the same, and then I'll select the folder pre-sales, and first reminder is the name of the email template, and I'll repeat this email every 24 hours and stop on third day, that is on after 72 hours, stop on third day, or lead status gets changed to contacted. So this way I'm creating the first reminder in this autoresponder. If the customer does not respond within 24 hours, then I will say I'm done and I'm reaching this page. Again, on this page you can see lot many kind of autoresponders or email sequences has been created for this kind of autoresponder, that is on lead status change to contacted. So first reminder and then second reminder after 72 hours, and then on third day, on seventh day, the third reminder, and so on, the way we created previously. And similarly, there will be some internal autoresponder for this also, which you can create from there. So this is the concept for creating external for customer. Now let's see whether I can create for internal, that is for administration purposes or not. So let's say this responder is going to be called as notification. Whenever a new form gets submitted, the manager should get a notification that new lead has arrived. So immediately after the lead assignment is done, if lead status does not change to contacted, or say after 1 hour the lead status does not change to get contacted, then we will be sending this email. Internal salesman not responded, and we will be repeating every 24 hours and stop after 4 hours or lead status gets changed to contacted. Similarly, if I say I'm done, and I will be on view autoresponder page. Similarly, if the salesman has contacted a lead, so we will send again a notification to the managers. So immediately after the lead status changed to contacted, that is the salesman has responded to the email, we will say okay, and we will be sending an email. Internal folder, and then salesman responded, and I'll say I'm done. So this way we will be creating our autoresponders using this new kind of interface, and I think this is going to be much more clear and usable kind of interface rather than we were using the previous one. So please let me know if this if you are liking this kind of interface or not, or else we can just pull in the previous one here. Thank you.